In this video, we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money as a teenager. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. As a teen, have you ever wondered how to earn extra cash? As a teenager, it might be difficult to make money. Clothing, entertainment, meals out with friends, and petrol or transportation are just some of the things you'll have to pay for. As life grows more costly, you may be searching for methods to pay for things like your 18th birthday celebration, which is a big one. Fortunately, there are several alternatives to gift cards and cash from birthdays and holidays for earning money as a teenager. 1. Start a blog. Teenagers may gain money through blogging. You may blog about any subject that fascinates you. Despite the fact that blogging is not a simple method to make money, it may be rewarding. Work-at-home opportunities like these are becoming more common. It may take a while for your blog entries to start bringing in money, but once they do, it may be a profitable source of revenue. A good place to start earning money online is via affiliate marketing and Google AdSense advertisements. To get started, you'll need access to the internet and a few potential domain names for your blog. In order to advertise your business, you merely need to learn about internet platforms and how to acquire one. To keep up with an ever-increasing audience, you'll need to provide new material on a regular basis. Learn more about blogging by checking out our page on how to start a blog. 2. Tutor younger kids. Put your academic prowess to the test if you have excelled in a certain topic. The quest for a tutor for a child's schoolwork may be exhausting for many parents. Get out there and talk about what you can do for the community. The best way to find a tutor for your kid is to ask other parents in the neighborhood. If you want to attract a wider audience, you may also put up flyers throughout town. As you begin to get inquiries from prospective customers, be sure to consult with your parents first. Tutoring may be done in person or online, depending on your preferences. Find out what works best for your schedule and the families you are going to be instructing in the future. 3. Work at a restaurant part-time. There's always work to be done in fast food joints and sit-down restaurants if you're looking for methods to get money as a teen. The hostess or cashier positions, for example, are often filled by high school students. Cook, busboy, waiter, and a host of other positions are all on the table as possibilities. 4. Provide lawn and landscaping services. If you're wondering how to get money as a teen, landscaping is an excellent option. A large number of individuals are either too busy or unwilling to maintain their lawns. It's a time-consuming task that has the potential to grow into a lucrative company. Another task you may do in your free time is mowing the grass. As an alternative, you may establish flower gardens or rake leaves, clean up after their dog, or water any landscaping in their yard. Use your imagination and the grounds in your region to come up with something unique. In order to get started making money as a teenager who doesn't have a job, this is an excellent resource. 5. Provide snow services as one of your side gigs. Living in a cold climate means that snow removal may be a lucrative business. Most people would do everything to avoid having to remove snow from their driveway. As a result, some people may even ask you to shovel snow from their parking lot at work or at home. Offer to shovel driveways, sidewalks, etc. Set up a regular customer schedule so that you never run out of shovels to clear. 6. Offer babysitting services. When it comes to babysitting, a break-in is rather simple. Family friends are a great spot to begin your babysitting career. People in the neighborhood may hear about your work if you perform an excellent job. As a trustworthy babysitter, you may be amazed at how much money you may make. At least $10 per hour, with an additional $3 for each additional kid, is the norm. 7. Start a photography or video editing business. Photographic or video editing prowess is something you excel at. It may be the best way to make money as a teen for you. Clients may request your services to photograph or edit their own events. To begin started, you may learn about photography by watching YouTube videos and reading about it in books. Video editing is pretty much like this. Make money as you learn new talents and brush up on old ones. There are a number of high-paying occupations for teens that specialize in photography or video editing. 8. Become a DJ. Becoming a DJ is not difficult, but it does need some initial funds to cover the costs of purchasing the necessary equipment. Consider all of the events that might benefit greatly from the services of a professional disc jockey. Just like the ones your pals are having, no doubt. If you've always wanted to know how to make money as a teenager, this might be the ideal chance for you to do so. Get flyers and friends to spread the news about your new gig. 9. Coach Little League sports. You may get additional money by coaching small league sports. If you're a seasoned player, you may be asked to mentor younger players. You'll not only make some money, but you'll also serve as an inspiration to a whole squad of young baseball players. Having fun may be more enjoyable than you anticipate. In addition, there is generally a lot of leeway in the timetable. 10. Become a golf caddy. If you like playing golf, being a golf caddy is a rewarding career path to consider. You may increase your knowledge of the game while you are helping someone else carry their luggage around. The process of building relationships with members in your community may be made more enjoyable by doing so. You could begin by seeking out golf clubs in your immediate area and contacting them about potential employment opportunities. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.